What if I told you the biggest rule in life that there are no rules? What do you think of this? Am I bluffing? Or is there something behind it that you need to understand? Wait. Let me explain. We go through life and we grow up hearing things like do it like this, do it like that, this is right for you should do it like this is only right in this manner, otherwise it's gonna be wrong. I'm sure everybody has heard things like that. But have you ever thought that who made rules, by the way? Humans or superhumans. But somebody made them according to their thinking, according to their mindset, their pathway, their life path, their destiny, their purpose. So, do you really think it will apply to each and every individual? Considering that we humans as a species are so unique, so intricate, and so different in so many manners. So, life isn't a fixed game, and there is no rule book as such that you need to follow, that you need to go through, that you need to just imbibe. So, if somebody decides today that they want to become a certain somebody, they're allowed. Because in this life, some people run, some people walk, some people just didn't do it either. What's wrong with that? So, life is not about copying, comparing. Yes, you can be inspired. The idea is that you can become anyone, anytime. There are no limits and there are no rules. If I want to be an influencer today, a businesswoman tomorrow, a model, a doctor, engineer, whatever, I get to choose, I get to apply my rules, and I'm allowed. And you should also allow yourself to choose the things that make you feel alive, that make you feel like yourself, because that is very important. Only then and only then you can give your 100% in that certain thing. And you know what? This is not about the choices you make or the choices you have, but this is also about the certain timeline that have been imposed on us by our dear ones, by our relatives, acquaintances. But let me tell you, there is no time limit when it comes to achieving your goal. Because we people have different situations, circumstances, backgrounds, origins, which makes the difference, which creates a big difference. And we should consider that when we compare ourselves to somebody who has already achieved the goals which we used to think of achieving in that certain age. So I want you to understand that this is a very simple thing, but a very difficult one at the same time, because people compare themselves a lot, which creates a lot of insecurity, a lot of issues, stress, and so much more. So it is very important that you yourself decide what is success for you, what are your goals, your purpose, what is your life path is going to be like, and what is happiness for you, what is stability for you. Define your goals, define your life, bring the clarity. Do not just blindly follow somebody else's path. So you choose, you decide what you want to become, what you want to achieve. And even after hearing this, if you still compare yourself to somebody else's dream life, somebody else's goals and purpose, and etc., let me remind you of this: you are putting limits on yourself, and nobody is going to save you out of it. You completely are following a rule that doesn't even exist. Why? Why are you doing that to yourself? And when you understand and you realize that there are no rules, you start to ask questions like, what is right to me? What do I want? And how does it feel like to me? Because these are very personal questions. And then only you can start being your authentic self. You can start feeling that inner voice, and you hear that. You start applying it, and that is how you succeed. You become happy, you feel satisfied, fulfilled in your life. And that is very, very important, my friends. And this way you attain your freedom. This way you have understood and realized that you get to choose your own rules. Yes, you get to choose your own rules, make your own rules, and decide which rule you are going to apply in your life, and where and how and when. Because, my friend, this way, your life, your failure, your success, your achievements, everything will belong to you. Your life will be purely your vision. And please, do not take it otherwise. Because here I'm not telling you to stop working hard on your goals. I'm not telling you to limit yourself. Instead, I'm telling you to make yourself limitless. Work hard as much as you can, as much as you want to. Put your smart efforts, your hard efforts, your consistency, your discipline. Make your own strategy. That is the whole idea behind this video. And if you relate, then I'll be really thankful. So go after your dreams, dream big, achieve them, and do it anyway, because life is not going to be fair. Life is never fair. So don't ever expect life to be fair with you. If this made you think differently, then please share it with someone who really needs to hear it. And don't forget that you can live your life your way. And I'll see you in the next one.